Namaskar. I am PK Singh, GST author, speaker, and practitioner, and founder of the Institutes of GST Professionals of India. We are really thankful to all of you for your supports. And as you know that the GST professional pundits and GST professional practitioners courses is going on, and on these online courses, many people joins, and we are enjoying being a teacher, and we are hopeful that participants is also they are enjoying because we are covering the depth discussion of sections, rules, forms, case laws is going on. We almost cover 110 hours, and remaining 90 hours hopefully will cover in 2025 days. Okay. Apart from that, I request some of my partners communicated me, and some of my friends in the professional fraternity, they communicated me that they are interested to learn GST and maybe refresh their mind. They want to go for all sections and rules and forms and some of the case laws, and but they cannot devote this 200 hours. That obviously I can understand. Some people they don't have much time, and definitely this is not required for those professionals. They are already in GST field. For them, we designed a course of almost 70 hours, and that will be only the weekends program on Saturdays and Sundays. Probably we'll cover in 10 Saturdays and 10 Sundays. It will start from the first week of the June, and we are going to announce today itself. Okay, so you can take the advantage of that course. Apart from that, we are going to organize time to time a webinars on every topic of the GST. Every topic of the GST it will be covered, and it will every time it will be the 2 hours webinar. So we want to give the advantage to those people they want to take particular topics only, so they can opt, choose, and join for that webinars. Apart from that, we know a lot of people they approach us because they want to know the basics of the GST and the GST returns and GST accounting. GST accounting is the area that I'm very much sure that a lot of people still they confused, and they don't understand the GST accounting in proper way. They are not doing the accounting whatever as required in the GST law, GST returns, and that was the reason while filing the GST monthly and quarterly returns, and particularly the GSTR 9 annual returns and GSTR reconciliation and audit, GSTR 9C, they all are facing a lot of problems, a lot of challenges. And I know, being a faculty, being a professional, that all these problems it is happening because of that we are not doing the proper accounting of the GST as required. So we are going to cover in the details the GST accounting, whatever what is requirement. When if you do that GST accounting in future, you are able to file your correct return on time. So for those the beginners, we are going to start 5 days program, 2 hours per day, 10 hours. We are going to cover the basic concepts of GST, overview of the GST, GST returns, monthly returns, I can say, GSTR 3B and GSTR 1, and partly GSTR 9 also will cover, and then GST accounting. Accounting will cover that. How you can prepare your profit and loss account and balance it relating to GST. So, friends, don't miss this opportunity, and we need your supports, because if you will be there, you can raise many queries, and here we are to reply, guide you. I hope you can enjoy joining the institutes of the GST Professional of India. This is the GST journey. We are trying our best, and it is possible only with your supports. Thank you all, and I hope we'll soon meet in some of the online classes or webinars. Thank you.